Today we're gonna talk about the color reduce filter. So let's start. Okay, so the color reduce filter is just simple to understand if you know how to do it. So where can we find the color reduce filter? It's here on the filters, color, then color reduce. So what does the color reduce filter do is that it replaces the color of the first color you selected. For example, here on my canvas I have an image. I'm gonna select 4 colors in this canvas. I will select this color, then match color 2, maybe this one, match color 3, maybe this one here, then match color 4, this one. Then match color 1, I've selected this one. So I want it to be replaced with the white, for example. Then match color 2, which I selected is this one, this area. I want it to be replaced with orange color. So match color 3, which I've selected is this part. I want it to be replaced with the cyan. Lastly, match color 4, which I've selected this area. I want it to have a color of green. So if I activate this color reduce, it will swap the colors from the colors I've selected to the colors I want it to be replaced. Let's see, let's turn this on. So as you can see, all the colors I have swapped here has been changed to the new colors that I have wanted. So quite easy, right? It's just select your color and then replace that color with a new color. So this color reduce filter, you can adjust how many colors you want it to be reduced. For example, right now I have 4 colors, and if I select 3 colors from color 1 up to color 3, then 2 colors. So what happens to the other colors which is not selected? What happens here is that I think this blue color, the color of this one, this blue color here is quite near to the black color. That's why it got the orange color. Let's check it again. 2 colors. Turn it on. So here, turn off, turn on. So also match color 1, pink. So this side is a brighter color, right? And then this one also bright color. So it will turn to white. Let's check it again. Just like this. So as you can see, let's zoom in. Turn this up again. So you can see that this is almost black. So here, match color to orange. So if we turn this on, similar what happened here. So this is how to use the color reduce filter on image. But if you have shapes, I like shapes, you can also use this color reduce filter to change the color of a group. So I hope that you understand the color reduce filter, and I hope you will use this on your motion projects. You know, at first I didn't know how to use this color reduce filter, but through experience I found this filter really quite useful. So thank you and see you again next time.